What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a really good day, and it is a new month. It is February 1st. Well, I am filming on this on February 1st, but at like 1:30 in the morning. So I want to get this up for you on February 1st because I just got my box today and I thought it would be really exciting to have it up super early. So that is the plan. We're going to get it up for you, and I'm super excited because we're unboxing and unbagging our IPSY glam bags for the month. This is my creator box, which I'm very, very fortunate and grateful to get. So I have the regular glam bag and the glam bag plus. Correct me if I'm wrong, they are now $13 and $28. I think that's right. So at any rate, I'm very, very excited to see what all I got in these bags. I also usually get my glam bag plus that I pay for, but this month is IPSY X. So let me know if you guys want to see a try on or just a simple unboxing of that. Let me know which way you want to see it because I'll be glad to share that too. There's so many options of really great things you can get. I saw some of the spoilers. I'll put some right here, like a little screenshot so you can see. There's some really amazing stuff going in there, so I'm so excited to pick. And of course, if you get IPSY, you can pick tomorrow, or if you're seeing this on the 2nd, today is the day to pick, don't forget. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got. I'm going to show the bag designs side by side. They are super, super cute. So of course we're used to our little like clutch size makeup bag, the faux leather. This one is a red background with pink hearts, and the little zip pull is a little gold heart. It's really, really cute, super on theme for February. Valentine's Day is literally right around the corner, 2 weeks away. And then the glam bag plus is just the opposite of that, so it's a pink background with red hearts. I think that's pretty darn cute, so I'm excited. We'll start with our regular glam bag. I always get so excited for the full size things. Not that the small ones aren't good, but I guess I'm greedy when it comes to beauty products. So let's see what we got. Okay, I'm just gonna pick at random. The first item is the Go-To, the Removalist with kaolin, clay, and zinc. This is a detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. I feel like I might have this in a full size. I'm not 100% sure, but that is the packaging. I have a couple things that I know I really love from Go-To. I like their swipies, and I also have their oil. Can't remember what that's called, but it's just like a really good skin oil. I think I have this, but I don't know if I've tried it yet. So this is pretty nice. I like items from the brand. That's always a good sign, and you guys know I love my skincare. So the first item we got is a mask. Next up, this is from Context. Hide Your Heart. Okay, all it says is Context Skin. Okay, we have a lipstick. I could have just opened it and found that out. For some reason, I was thinking it was like bigger around, like this was gonna be a little like, I don't know, blush stick, contour stick, something. This is definitely a very wearable color. I feel like almost everybody will be able to enjoy this, and the shade is Hide Your Heart. So this is a lipstick. I already have some lipstick on. I have one of the little Kaja Love Swipes, super cute. I was doing some like Valentine's Day-ish stuff, and if you can't tell, I have little hearts, little like cutout hearts. So let me swatch. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit. Yeah, it's a little pinker than what I have on. I actually kind of want to put this on because I thought my other lip was gonna be a bit pinker. This is pretty. It's very smooth. I like the texture of it. Very, very cute. I will definitely wear this color. It's pink without being like over the top pink, which I really, really love because that makes it just so much more versatile to me. So yeah, that is Hide Your Heart from Context Beauty. Next up, we have from Benefit. I'll never complain about a Benefit mascara. I feel like they have some of the best mascaras. This is the Roller Lash. So this one, of course, is more for length and curl. I've always really liked this one because my lashes do not want to curl. They're so, so bad when it comes to that. So anything that can help me get like some lift and curl is really, really good. I have so many mascaras, and I actually have multiple minis from Benefit too because I got their little advent calendar. So I'm not gonna open this up, but it's a really, really good one if you just want to lift and curl your lashes. Our fourth item is MAC Fix Plus. Oh my god, this has got to be the bittiest little Fix Plus. I don't know, in my head, I was thinking it was gonna be like the actual component with a little twist top. I should have known better than that, but in my head, that was the expectation. But this is a tiny little setting spray. This is perfect for travel. A lot of times when I get things that are this size, I'm like, okay, if I take a trip, this is perfect for a carry-on makeup bag. Let's see how it sprays. As I use, is that the original smell? I have the scented one, so I'm like, what does that smell? Anyway, but as I use half the bottle and talk about how great it's gonna be to travel with, but yeah, this is the perfect little spray. Granted, if you use a lot of setting spray like I do to really melt those powders, this isn't gonna be a ton of uses, but for a little weekend trip, I think this would be the perfect little setting spray. Also, not complaining to get MAC. And then we have one more item. This is Gold Fade and MD. This is the Radical Different Advanced Antioxidant Serum. I've had some things from this brand, but I had so much new and unopened skincare that I gave some to my mom. So this will give me a chance to try it because I think this might have been one of the things that I actually gave her. But it says it's for rehydrating and reduces the appearance of skin imperfections, illuminates dull skin, reduce the appearance of unwanted red areas. Yay. I also have this cute little ceramic bathtub that I put all of my like really nice minis in, so I'll have to stick this in there and then use it soon. All right, so IPSY bag, let's recap. We got our go-to mask, Context Lip, and this is a full-size lipstick, so that's really nice for a small bag. We got Roller Lash, the Gold Fade and Serum, and then the MAC Fix Plus. I think for 13 bucks, this is really, really nice. I am really excited for everything. No bad items in this bag, in my opinion. So let's move on to Glam Bag Plus. Let's see what I got. I'm so excited. I feel plastic. Is it brushes? Oh, liners. Okay, this is Beauty for Real, and it looks like 2 eyeliners, I'm assuming. We'll open these up. It's got Heaven's Door and Night Fever. It's the letter I Eyeline 24/7 gel eyeliner. Okay, let's swatch. Night Fever definitely looks like a black. Okay. I was about to say, wow, it doesn't look super black, but I actually instead see like a little bluish fleck of glitter maybe. It looks very small. I had a horrifying experience once with a cargo eyeliner that had glitter, and I thought that my eye was just like ruined. So Heaven's Door is not white. This looks like an illuminating pencil. It's so close to my skin tone, but they both have like a shimmer, I would say. Glitter is probably a strong word because it looks like a really fine little fleck in there. So that is what the pencils look like. And again, that is Heaven's Door. I keep wanting to say Gate. Heaven's Door and Night Fever. They're pretty. I'll just have to see how these do. I don't use a lot of eyeliners like this usually that have shimmer in them because of my horrible flashbacks of that bad experience of like glitter in my eyeball. But these look really fine. They're like very smooth. Next up, I feel more plastic. Okay, we got some Firma brushes. The first couple of times I got Firma brushes, I really wasn't that excited about them, but once I've really gotten to know them, I feel like they do have some nice brushes. I have one eye brush from them that I always reach for. Like I reach for it because I know the bristles, but I'm not thinking like, I don't know which brand I'm picking, if that makes sense. I just know I like the bristles of that one. So I grab it and I'm like, oh yeah, it's the Firma one. So they have some really good brushes. It doesn't say anything but a number, but it looks like these are some more like detail brushes, which really of all the brushes that I have, the ones that I could use more of are eye brushes, but specifically small eye brushes. I grab them so often that I just don't have enough to keep up with it. So we got the 206, 205, and 301. And these are some pretty small brushes. One is an angle. It's a little bit like a chunky angle in my opinion. It's not very flat. We've got one, this is more like a pencil brush, but it's a little bit more tapered. And then this one is more precision, but it's kind of flat. So I can definitely find uses for these. I will definitely use them. All right, next up we got the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream with 8 Power Pink Essence. So I actually love Yinsa. I have their bronzer. I've talked about this many times, which I don't know where it is. My cream bronzer for, who did I think I was? Cream bronzer? That's what I was about to say. But I love their cream bronzer, and I also love their primer. So this is a moisturizer. All right. It says it has anti-inflammatory benefits, rich in antioxidants, 8 power pink essence, hydrates to visibly plump and restore bounce to skin, and peptides nourish, leading to firmer, younger looking skin. I am excited to try this one, so I'm gonna put a bit on my hand. Ooh, I like the smell for some reason. It's got like a tiny little bit of a scent, but it feels very nice. It feels like nourishing, but not super heavy. And it has no parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, phthalates, or animal cruelty. I'm very excited. Also love the packaging, Pink Lotus. And then we have, oh, okay, I forgot about this. The Byroe Fig Renewal Oil. I was actually very excited to get my hands on this because I had seen this one and the other one too. I can't remember, it was Fig and something else, but I was really tempted to like get the duo. I have to put just a couple drops on my hand. Ooh, it smells very planty. I can't remember. I think we used to have a fig tree when I was young, but I don't like them. I can't get past the look of them. But I don't remember if it smells like that. It just smells like plant, you know? It's a very thin, comfortable oil. I really like the way that it feels. And Byroe is like salad inspired, so that it's always like fruits and veggies. Warm a few drops in the palm of your hands, apply over face, neck, and décolletage after cleansing and before or after moisturizing. And it says it's lightweight finishing oil with the power of fig, cica, ceramides, and a blend of red antioxidant rich superfoods for revitalized and regenerated skin. I really like that combination of the fig, the cica, and the ceramides, because that is like nourishing, restoring, regenerative, anti-aging. It's got a lot of benefits. Also, I just think the packaging is so pretty. I love what they did with this. It just reminds me of high end. I don't know, it almost looks like it would be a perfume or something just really nice. Their products are pricey, but from what I have tried, I really like. So I'm so excited for that. We have one more product. This is the Persephone palette. I don't know if it's pronounced ditto or dito, you know, whatever. But this is the Persephone palette. So let's see. Oh, it's really pretty. It's kind of funny. I used my Lime Crime Venus 2 today, and I was like, wow, that's kind of similar. It just happens to be right here. But I really like the design. Like, some thought went into that. It's a little bit different, but kind of similar to the Lime Crime. And let's see, whoa, okay, this is pretty. I did not know what to expect, but I think this is really pretty. Almost Valentine's vibes, but like rich, you know what I mean? I have to swatch this because it looks like gold and purple. Okay, it looks like it's maybe just a topper. Yeah, it's got like some gold flake in it. And then I think this is a pressed glitter right there. That's pretty. Okay, the matte's a little sheer, but such a pretty wash of color. Actually, like, it built up very nicely. It's just not powdery, if that makes sense. Like, it just melted right in. Okay, and then we'll swatch this darker shade too. So that one you can't really see super well on my skin tone, but it's got like a little glitter. And then we have the chunkier pressed glitter, matte, and then a shimmer. These actually look really pretty. It didn't seem like that matte shade was going to be like intense, but then with just like a little bit of extra, it kind of just melted into the skin, but it feels like nothing's on the skin right there. It's very interesting. I'm very intrigued. All right, so I'm excited to try this out and see what it's like on the eyes. You never know. So of course we got the palette and then our Pink Lotus Cream, 3 firmer brushes, 2 Beauty For Real eyeliners, And then probably the most exciting product to me is the Byroe Fig Renewal Oil. I feel like this is a really good bag. Yensa and Byroe, I trust, I really like. We got good skincare. The palette is super pretty. And then even if you're not like a giant fan of Firma or Beauty For Real, you're getting 2 and 3 products. So yeah, I feel like this is a nice assortment. I got some sets, I got some high end, and then I got some new stuff to try. So I feel like that's a really nice balance of stuff. Once again, you guys let me know if you want to see the Glam Bag X, if you want me to unbox or try on. And I am going to be doing some more declutters, but if you have any other ideas apart from that, things you would like to see on my channel, let me know. I would be more than happy. I'm going to take a video. Hey, do you want me to get those out of there? Here you go. Here you go. Okay. He is such the sweetest boy. So he has been sitting with me. If you happen to still be watching, he is feeling okay, but we're going to give him another checkup on Thursday, and I am anxious to see if his numbers came up, his red blood cell count. So anyway, I do still have his GoFundMe linked below. Yeah. So we have lots of visits coming up, and he'll need lots of care. He's on multiple medications, so hopefully we'll get a good report. But thank you guys if you have supported that, or just, you know, sending your love for him. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.